Hey everyone, the pure 600cc Supersport may be dead, but Honda, Kawasaki, and Suzuki are still flying the flag. So when the latter two announced their Supersports for 2025, it was inevitable that Honda would follow suit. To do just that, Big Red has unveiled the 2025 CBR 600RR in America. The only major change for 2025 is a new color. It now comes in a deep pearl gray livery, which replaces the old Grand Prix Red option from years past. This wraps the bike in a dark gray base coat, complemented by light gray and white accents on the tail, fairing, and fascia. Meanwhile, a thin red stripe adds a bit of contrast. If you don't like what you see, there are unfortunately no other colors on offer. Honda could have at least kept the Grand Prix Red option, giving enthusiasts plenty of choice. It just goes to show how slow Honda has been in its approach to the 600RR in America. Other than the livery, everything else is unchanged. You're basically getting the same design that was first seen during the 2013 model year update of the 600RR, along with mechanicals that date back to 2009. So what you're getting here is a largely basic motorcycle with no modern luxuries, be it in terms of engine, suspension, or electronics. At the heart of the matter is the 599cc inline-4 engine. This engine revs to just over 14,000 RPM to produce 113 horsepower at 47 pound-feet, all of which are achieved just over 10,000 RPM. Power reaches the wheels through a 6-speed transmission, which allows for a top speed of over 160 mph. As mentioned above, there are no modern features here, so the only electronics are fuel injection and optional apps. Even the instrument cluster is old school with a basic LCD. As for the frame, the RR is built around a twin-spar aluminum chassis. The bike uses a Showa BP fork and monoshock, both of which are adjustable for preload, rebound, and compression. 17-inch wheels, Tokiko calipers, and dual front discs are also included. More details are given in the table below. Well, that's our review today. See you in the next video.